Hello. In this lecture, we will talk about online freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is working on a contract basis for a variety of companies or individuals, as opposed to working as an employee for a single company. Freelancers are often considered to be self-employed and have the freedom to pick and choose their projects and companies they would like to be associated with. Whether you're looking for another way to pay the bills, seeking more professional development opportunities, or just love the freedom that freelancing offers, there's no question that millions of people have discovered the benefits of professional freelancing. There are plenty of guides for striking out on your own, but as a freelancer, getting higher paying gigs isn't just a matter of signing up on popular platforms. You'll have to branch out, establish a great portfolio of past work, and maybe even prove yourself through tests that showcase your skills. With freelancing, you will be able to do a very good money depends on your ability to work. I have friends that can make over $200 daily. Let's see the best sites to find work as a freelancer. 1. Upwork.com. With over 1.5 million clients, Upwork offers something for every type of freelancer. It accommodates both short and long-term projects, hourly or per-project work, and expert-level and entry-level engagements. Regardless of where you are in your career, Upwork is likely to have something for you. 2. Freelancer.com. Unlike most other platforms, in addition to offering millions of projects, Freelancer allows you to compete with other freelancers in contests to prove your skills. If you're competitive and confident in your expertise, it's a great way to showcase your abilities and attract more clients. 3. PeoplePerHour.com. This is a great platform, focusing on freelancing for web projects. If you're a designer, web developer, SEO specialist, etc., PeoplePerHour is definitely worth checking out. 4. Guru.com. This site lets you easily showcase your past work experience and offers a daily job matching feature to make sure you don't miss out on any good opportunities. The Guru Workroom lets you easily manage all your work. 5. 99designs.com. A platform for freelance designers, 99designs lets you compete in design contests and get feedback as clients choose the best ones. It's a great way for talented designers to prove their talents. In the next lecture, I will show you a practical example for applying to my favorite website, freelancer.com. Thank you.